Why is first generation Samsung Galaxy Watch still one of the best smartwatches on the market in 2021? There are roughly three categories of smartwatches. First is low-end. These are smart bracelets and activity trackers. There's a lot of choice. 50 euros or dollars should be more than enough for such kind of watch with some added activity tracking, heartbeat monitoring and notification capability. Then there is top end. These are premium products, new models of Apple, Samsung, Garmin, Fossil and similar, prepared to 50 euros dollars or more. But be aware of the fact that in 2 years that price will fall down to half. You are probably going to lose quite a lot of money, but in the meantime, you are a proud owner of something really new and fresh.
Introducing Apple Watch Series 3, and it has cellular built in.
And then there is the middle ground. Consists of X top end and feature watches which have limited functionality, somehow like that. Here you will find all the models premiered in 2018-19. Those are still X flagships smartwatches for a budget price. Yes, new models have additional features, but usually they are not worth paying twice the price of last year's model. Even smart homes have lifetime of at least 4-5 years, and similar is with smartwatches. Here in this category you'll find Apple Series 3, 4, Samsung Watch, Samsung Watch Active and tons of models from other manufacturers. You will also find many watches that do not support app stores, so you cannot install additional apps on your watch, and you are quite limited to pre-installed apps. Is Samsung Watch still a best buy even in 2021? Yes, I recommend it. Why? First, design. It still looks fantastic and many won't notice that it is not actual model. It has nice bezel, big and really great screen, and you can easily personalize your watch with straps. Regarding hardware and software. To comparison, the Galaxy Watch 3 packs the same Exynos chipset as the original 2.5 years old Galaxy Watch. Processor is the same. The improvements lie in the new smart watch 8GB of storage, which is double its predecessor's 4GB. The Watch 3 has 1GB of RAM, which is more than the original Galaxy Watch's 42mm version, but less than the bigger 46mm model of first Galaxy Watch. Original older model, first series, also has better, bigger, more capable battery. Reliability is perfect, battery lasts for 3, even 4 days. As degradation happens with charging cycles, this big capacity of battery is actually good news. Battery in your third generation watch should perform just fine even after many years of usage. The main difference regarding new model is in additional sensors for EKG and blood oxygen. It also features some new exercise modes, but okay, all that is really quite non-essential for majority of users. Compatibility. Samsung Galaxy Watch can be used with even iPhone, of course with Android, so no problem or limitations here. iWatch for comparison, yes, can only be used in Apple's ecosystem. Price? When launched in 2018, I think it was August. Yeah, it was August. I bought my Samsung Watch for more than 300 euros. I think 330, 350, something like that. Now you can buy brand new with warranty for 150 to 190 euros or dollars. Samsung was quite generous with discounts in last year, so that had influence on second-hand market also. Prices there are even as low as 80 euros for 42mm edition. That's really a sad story of depreciation if you bought new watch 2 years ago, but great news in 2021. But now, yes, you can enjoy budget-friendly price for X Premium smartwatch. What's not to like? And what's in the box? The box is solid black box, nothing special here. Inside you will find charger, cradle, additional belt and watch. You can charge your Samsung Galaxy Watch also using your mobile phone. Just enable reverse wireless charging or wireless power transfer. I have tested that functionality with S10 and ST series phones. Samsung Watch is available in two sizes. Bigger has diameter of 46, smaller 42mm. Battery in bigger model should last for 3, 4, even 5 days. In small version it should last up to 3 days of normal use. And just a small hint, Apple has of course enabled always-on display functionality on newer iWatches, Series 5 and 6. Samsung also features that functionality. Just set the screen settings on always on your Galaxy smartwatch. Expect shorter charging cycles as that consumes more energy. It feels somehow strange to endorse purchasing 2018 model smartwatch in 2021. But Samsung created a real capable smartwatch with its Galaxy Watch. The product offers real bang for money, and even in 2021 I can only highly recommend it.